As usual, questions and answers. I'm going to read it out loud and you give me your answer straight away. What is the name of the default view applied to a document upon opening it? Is it A, read mode, B, draft mode or draft, C, outline, or D, print layout?
Print layout.
Good, somebody was awake.
Print layout.
Do you agree, print layout? Can I move on to the next?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Second question. What is the keyboard shortcut for saving a document?
A.
Yeah.
Control S.
Good. So we understand the keyboard shortcut is not A, but it is Control S. A as in the option here. Good. But what can the search or tell me assistant be used to accomplish? Is it all of these answers? That's the answers you see on there. Or B, is it search the web for more results? C, perform a task? Or D, get help on a task?
Can I say all of the answers? Or like B and B? I know it does B.
Sorry?
I know that search the web for more results. I could say, yeah. But I don't know if it performs the task. It performs the task actually is A.
Okay, so we've got A. Anybody supporting Ms. Ma? We know where the chocolates are going, or anybody disagreeing? A lot of silence. So yes, it is all of these answers and you can try them out. And from there, of course, it's like a help function as well. Right. You start a new blank document and want to begin by typing in the title at the top center of your document. This I told you about, but mine was not working. What is the fastest way to do this? Is it A, click at the top center of the document page and start typing? Is it B, none of these answers I'm telling you about? Is it C, double click on the top center and start typing? Or is it D, type your title, select it, and then change the alignment to center? It was something I told you about. It has to do with the I-beam. Remember when you move your cursor, it becomes, who was that? Where is it coming from? Who's guessing?
A.
Repeat so I can see it highlighted and I know who you are. Okay, I've got it. Okay, so yes, the answer is A. No, it's double click, please. Sorry, or click.
Double click.
Oh,
Okay.
You double click the center. So if you've got it open, see the I-beam come up. If you've got Word document open, the I-beam is just the I thing with the alignment, whether center, middle, or left, or center, left, or right, next to it, and you just click and you double click anywhere, and you can start typing on there. Right. Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which of the following is not a paste option that you can select from when pasting text? Is it A, keep the source formatting? Is it B, merge formatting? Or is it C, use target formatting? Or D, keep text only?
I think it's C.
I've
You
got
just C or
a
B.
question mark as my answer. Are you asking?
I think it's C because I know A is there, D is there, but I think it's C.
And we use D as well when we copy the web. Okay, so I think it's C. Is C the answer? Okay, good.
Okay.
Anybody second? Anybody? Okay, right, good. We can continue.
So is C the answer?
Yes.
Oh.
Right. How can you ensure the new test that replaces found test use the same case as what you entered in the replaced with field, right? So yeah, we didn't do such and bit, but you can guess the answer really easy, right? A, check the match case checkbox under the search options. Is it B, This will happen by default. Is it C? In the replace with field, type everything in uppercase, or D? In the replace with field, type everything in lowercase.
Would I say B? This will happen by default because I don't
Are
know.
you sure?
I know. I'm not sure.
How can you ensure that a new test that replaces the found test? So basically, when you search for a particular test in a Word document, yeah,
Yeah.
maybe like John, you search for John, and then you did a replace, and you want to make sure, okay, you want to make sure that you are using the same case, right? So if John was capital J, capital O, then small h, small n, and you really want to find only that test, okay?
Yeah.
How are you going to make sure that you find only that test? That's one option. If you are replacing it, how are you going to make sure that you replace the one that matches only the capital J? Or maybe you just want to change it to capital J, small o, small h, small n.
Oh, that means the answer is A because you have to check and match case.
So we're going with, are you making reference to something else?
No.
You're not asking Google, are you? Or ChatGPT? Who is asking ChatGPT? Right. You copy test from a web. Sorry, sorry. You copy test from a web page and want to paste it into your document as test that looks exactly as it did on the web page. What paste option should you choose? Is it A, picture, B, keep source formatting, C, merge formatting, or D, keep test only?
It's B.
Do we agree as a class? B, C, B, going, and gone. So yes, we keep the source formatting. So again,